Meantime, this week, CDC advisors are getting ready to decide who should get a COVID vaccine first, and South Florida hospitals are getting ready.
Let's get to it. Here's NBC6 Laura Rodriguez. She shows us their plan.
Jackson Health System says they've completed all of the proper registration to be eligible for the vaccine. They also have the freezers that are necessary to store them. Memorial Healthcare System also says they are ready, and they are also expected to receive this first round of vaccines. As the number of reported COVID-19 cases in the United States surpasses 13 million, the Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices is preparing for an emergency virtual meeting on Tuesday. The CDC committee is expected to vote on the allocation of initial supplies of the vaccine.
What we were hearing preliminarily is there will be 2 million total doses given to the state of Florida, and that there will be 5 hospitals that initially receive the vaccine, and Jackson will be one of those facilities.
Memorial Healthcare System has also announced they are prepared to receive and properly store the COVID-19 vaccines. Jackson Memorial Hospital expects to receive a limited supply of the Pfizer vaccine in mid-December.
I think that getting the vaccine, if recommended by the CDC and the NIH, is important. Not only that we set an example, but we protect ourselves so that we continue to help people.
Kevin Cho Tipton is a critical care nurse practitioner who works at multiple South Florida hospitals. He's been on the front lines since the pandemic began. The committee meeting on Tuesday has already stated they are considering 4 groups for early COVID-19 vaccination. At the top of the list, healthcare personnel.
We lost a paramedic whose wife was one of our nurses. We lost one of the husbands of one of our nurse practitioners in the ICU. Doctors that worked in their own hospitals have died in their own ICUs.
As healthcare professionals, it is part of our mission of who we are to care for our patients and our community, and us being the first to be vaccinated falls directly in line with what our mission is.
The chief pharmacy officer here at Jackson tells me they are surveying their employees to see who is interested in getting vaccinated. Then they will determine who is more at risk or who is working with high-risk patients closely. Reporting in Miami, I'm Laura Rodriguez, NBC6 News.